been working quite a bit, and honestly, it's been extremely overwhelming because day and night has just been work, 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 and the corporate burnout is extremely real. I've gotten to a point where I feel as though, honestly, if I don't start living my life and chasing after my own dreams, everything is just pretty much going to be about work, and the weekend would be how I really enjoy life. And one of my biggest things in life since forever, and I'm sure it's the same for many, many people, is to just not end up in a rat race, right? And by no means am I saying I'm not grateful for being in a position that I'm in. Just last year, I worked for one of my dream companies that I got, my big girl job, and I was extremely happy and I was extremely stoked about it. But then I got there and then I did not enjoy it, right? Like I did not, I'm using these two e.l.f. concealers, but this one is just a little bit more yellow than that one. But anyway, I got into the job that I've been dreaming of my whole life. Well, not my whole life, but it's quite a big deal. And I didn't enjoy it. I mean, it felt like, every day felt, I won't say miserable, but it was extremely draining. And I did not enjoy it as much as I thought I would. Now, it could just be that, okay, it wasn't for me. It was heartbreaking for me. And leaving that role made me go through like a pretty depressing phase. And I don't think it's discussed as much how depressing it can be in this rat race of the corporate world, where it's like, this is all you've known. You came out of college and you got into college thinking, okay, I'm gonna get a degree that I can work, get out and get this type of job. And then you get out and you realize, this is not what I wanted to do. This is not what I wanted to do, but this is what I've been told to do. So then you kind of stick it out because you're like, well, like I've already spent thousands of dollars getting this degree. I can't just throw it away. I have to keep it going, right? So you keep it going and then you're now stuck. You're literally stuck. Unfortunate as it is, that was my life. So, me getting back on YouTube is not necessarily because I no longer am going to be working. I'm still going to be working because that is how I pay my bills. I'm not one of those people who will just quit their jobs and just fully follow something. YouTube is supposed to be a hobby for me, It's not, I don't want it to become work. If it gets into the position of, me being able to live off of it, great. But I'm not going to make a work out of it because it's supposed to be an outlet for me. That's one of the things that I've always wanted to do, and one of the things that I always do, even when I came back from school, I would literally stand in the bathroom mirror, just like I am now, and just be chatting away like I'm talking to someone. I'm a natural yapper too. Ideally, I would like to be in the position where I wake up and I'm doing this, on a day-to-day, while also doing something that I love, because obviously, it's not realistic for this to be my end-all be-all, and I don't want it to be my end-all be-all. You know what I mean? I want it to be an outlet where I can share my life as much as I could, because also I've been watching some of, the OG YouTubers that we used to watch, and, some of them feel like they no longer have, form of privacy and everything like that. I don't want this to be that, not by a long shot, because I value privacy at a greater degree, and I feel like a lot of people lose that as they're growing in their influencer career, and I do not want that for myself at all. So, I don't know, it's just been a lot to think about as I've been navigating, trying to get back into what I enjoy doing, which is this. I see the editing piece be eating me up, okay? Although I enjoy it, it's things are so advanced now. Even for me to get on here, I was like, oh my god, I need perfect lighting, I need microphones, I need this, I need that. I need to come out the woodworks with 10 years of experience, and it's funny because in the corporate world, they do the same exact thing to us, and they're like, how do you expect me to have 10 years of experience when I just got into the game? So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna get on here, do what I can do it as I want to do it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to just get started. So if you're somebody out there that wants to start YouTube, you want to do your thing, just do it. Just literally take your camera. I have a camera, luckily, but take your iPhone, just get on and just do it, because if that's what you want to do, just do it. Don't let anybody, or don't let the hype of everything being perfect deter you, regardless of how prepared you feel like you are or aren't. It's just take the step, take the leap, because you never know. It could be the one thing that is between you, wherever you want to be. It's just a matter of you taking the step. And I know I'm saying this, but it's also an advice for myself, because that's exactly what I'm doing, right? I did in the past, and I was oh, I'm gonna do this. This is exactly what I'm gonna do. And then stopping it was not the wisest thing, because who even asked me to stop? Nobody asked me to stop. But I stopped because I was just kind of comparing myself to everybody else out here who has bigger platforms. And it's that's fine that they are there. They have to start somewhere. And the other day, it's funny, I was like on TikTok and Juanita actually posted this, which kind of put the fire back up under me to like, you know, just come back in here and do it. It's just like, she literally started off, not the Jackie I know we currently see her. Yes, now she's so good and she's built this community, but she didn't wake up and it just happened for her. Do you know what I mean? Like, she knew she wanted to do this. She jumped online and did it. Even if her eyeliner, one of them was perfect or wasn't, she did it because in her heart of hearts, this is what she's always wanted to do. Changing the way I think about things, just kind of getting back into the ring of things, because quite honestly, you do not have to have the perfect setup. You do not have to have the perfect audio. And I know all of this because we've heard it a million times, but it's hard to really just do it. It really is. But once you start and once you keep it going and just every day show up for yourself just as much as you show up for your employer, you're going to start making strides. And as you start making strides, you're going to just get into the reign of just doing things as you normally would. Doing like a very chill outlook, nothing crazy. So yeah. And I hope this encourages somebody out there that also wants to do this. You do not have to have the perfect setup. I promise you it's not going to be easy, but it's not going to be as hard as you think it is. And with everything, it's going to be just like that. There are two mascaras I swear by. This one and the Il Maquillage one. Guys, I don't know what they did, but they did something with the Il Maquillage lengthening mascara to just lengthen the lash a little bit. I put the Dior Cherry Oil. And yeah. That's it for the look. This is a quick little like Thanksgiving oh, my hair came out okay. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I would add a little wing liner too. Actually, let me just do it. All I'm gonna say from this is if you want something, pursue it. Pursue it. I know it's hard because even the past couple of days when I would go outside and I'd be wanting to like record, I find it so hard to vlog. Like, I'm just not a vlogger. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.